Welcome to my channel, That's a Fact. Our video is about father of creation, Thomas Edison Alva. So, the topic is, who was Thomas Edison Alva? Life of Thomas Alva Edison. One of the maximum well-known and prolific inventors of all time, Thomas Alva Edison exerted a top-notch impact on current existence, contributing innovations which include the incandescent mild bulb, the phonograph, and the movement photo camera, in addition to enhancing the telegraph and telephone. In his 84 years, he received an amazing 1,093 patents. Edison himself blamed it on an incident wherein he became grabbed via way of means of his ears and lifted to a train. He did no longer allow his incapacity to discourage him, and frequently dealt with it as an asset because it made it less complicated for him to pay attention to his experiments and research. Though, his deafness made him extra solitary and shy in dealings with others. Telegraph work. In 1862, Edison rescued three 12-months antique from a tune in which a boxcar became approximately to roll into him. Edison mounted the Newark Telegraph Works in Newark, New Jersey, with William Unger to fabricate inventory printers. He fashioned the American Telegraph Works into paintings on growing an automated telegraph later with inside the 12 months. Edison opened a brand new laboratory in Menlo Park, New Jersey, in 1876. This webpage later turns out to be called an invention manufacturing facility, when you consider that they labored on numerous extraordinary innovations at any given time there. The simplest 400 lamps had been lit, 12 months later. There had been 513 clients. The usage of 300 lamps. 3 Edison fashioned numerous organizations to fabricate and function the equipment wanted for the electric lights gadget, the Edison Electric Illuminating Company of New York, the Edison Machine Works, the Edison Electric Tube Company, and the Edison Lamp Works. The Edison General Electric Company merged with Thomson Houston in 1892 to turn out to be General Electric Co., successfully casting off Edison in addition from the electric discipline of business. An improved phonograph. Edison's wife, Mary, died on August 9, 1884, probably from a mind tumor. Edison remarried to Mina Miller on February 24, 1886, and, together with his wife, moved right into a massive mansion named Glenmont in West Orange, New Jersey. Chichester Bell and Charles Sumner Taylor evolved an advanced system that used a wax cylinder and a floating stylus, which they have known as a graphophone. They dispatched representatives to Edison to speak about a probable partnership at the system. Edison refused to collaborate with them, feeling that the phonograph became his invention alone. In 1889, the New Jersey and Pennsylvania concentrating works become fashioned, and Edison have become absorbed with the aid of using its operations and commenced to spend a great deal of time far from domestic on the mines in Ogdensburg, New Jersey. He invested a great deal of time and money into this project. It proved unsuccessful whilst the marketplace went down and extra reassertive ore with inside the Midwest had been found. Motion pictures. In 1888, Edison met Edward Muybridge at West Orange and considered Muybridge's zoopraxiscope. A kinetophone became advanced with the aid of using his laboratory, which synchronized sound on a phonograph cylinder to the photo on a screen. This started with added interest. The machine became some distance from ideal and disappeared with the aid of using 1915. In the 1920s, Edison's fitness has become worse, and he commenced to spend greater time at domestic together with his wife. His dating together along with his youngsters became distant, even though Charles became president of Thomas A. Incorporated. While Edison persisted to test domestic, he couldn't carry out a few experiments that he desired to at his West Orange laboratory due to the fact the board might no longer approve them. He breathes one's last on October 18, 1931, at his estate, Glenmont, in West Orange, New Jersey. If you want to read more detailed article about Thomas Edison Alva, please check the link in the description. Don't forget to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thanks for watching.